Alright, this is my e46 325i with an m54 engine. Let me tell you about this mother sucker right here. I've been chasing vacuum leaks forever, just like everybody else probably. I finally fixed it, finally figured out what it was. I mean, don't get me wrong, I done changed intake boots, I done changed mass airflow sensor like 3 times, even with OEM part. I done deleted the CCV system and put in an oil catch can. I done changed every vacuum hose. I done bought a new diesel valve. I done put fuel injector O-rings. I put a new valve cover gasket. Behind the intake is these little rubber caps that go over these holes in the back. I replaced those. And still was getting lean codes. I also changed the fuel filter that sits underneath the car on the driver's side. I changed the fuel filter, the fuel pressure regulator. This hose right here, I don't know if you can see that good, but on this F connector, the bottom hose, this one, it goes all the way down to the fuel filter pressure regulator. I replaced that hose also because it was cracked. And I was still getting lean codes. I couldn't figure it out for nothing. So if you done did everything that I did, basically replaced everything, you know, only thing I haven't did was the fuel pump, and I haven't changed the fuel injectors. I was going to do that if what I did now didn't resolve the problem, but so far what I did has resolved the problem. You ready for the answer? It's real simple and easy. You got darn gas cap. I replaced the gas cap with a new one. The new gas cap. Let me show you the old one. Alright. This is what the old one looked like. Alright. First, I don't know if y'all can see that crack. Let me make sure it's not. See, it's a crack right there. Then if you look at the rubber diaphragm and inside, look at that. So I wasn't really inspecting the gas cap to fix this problem, but I guess it makes sense. You know, if the tank is pressurized, you know, vacuum sealed, and it's leaking out because of a bad gas cap, that can cause a lean code on both banks. So if you got a problem like I did, chasing this damn vacuum leak, and you done replaced everything else and you still can't figure out what it is, try your gas cap. All right, trust me, I done spent months trying to chase this thing, and all it took was a gas cap. No more check engine light, no more codes. All right, if this helped you guys out, give me a like, please. Comment if you have any more questions. See ya.